above the way. And bittersweet memories, that is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye, please don't cry. We both know I'm not what you need. And
Kadee, I sing that song myself, and I think people underestimate how hard it is to sing a cappella. Well, the song in general is a difficult song to sing, but to sing the first part a cappella and to come in right on key, that in itself is a well done, because it is very difficult. Your riffs were clean, you had lovely control over your highs and lows, there was a lot of light and shade in it, which was nice. If there was one thing I would say to you, is just be careful of your mic control. Remember, as you hit those big belty notes, bring the mic away from your face a little bit, because then we don't get the big, you know, I don't know how to explain it. No, not echo, but it doesn't kill us off, do you know what I mean? So mic control, and don't be afraid to smile. You're doing well at there, smile through it, you know, put a bit more into your performance, but apart from that, the vocal was beautiful. You should be really proud of yourself, well done.
Thanks, Lou. Anya?
Do you know what? First thing I want to say is, well, bold song, bold choice. I think everyone in this room can agree that you hit that, to be honest. It is a very tough song, and I think it was a lovely choice for you because it really showed off everything that you can do with your voice. I mean, it showed off how high you can go on your belt, it showed off your beautiful falsetto notes, it showed off your technicality. I don't know, it just shouts you to me, and I'm really glad you chose this song. And yeah, same as Louise, with your mic control, obviously we have been gone for a very long time, so I can only imagine, you know, it's probably still a bit daunting getting back up there, especially after so long. But yeah, remember that for next time, and that's the only thing I picked up on really, but that was incredible, well done.
Thanks, Anya. Kelly?
Well, that was well worth waiting 9 months to hear. Honest to God, that was. I think that's the best that you've performed. That song just showcased. You'll have to forgive me. I didn't get much sleep last night. That song showcased so much of your vocal ability and what you can actually achieve with your voice. You've got such amazing vocal agility and such a beautiful tone, and that song really showed off your tone. It requires such a lot of confidence to come in and sing that song a cappella, and I think you completely nailed that. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I loved the riffs that you did at the beginning. I loved the way that you changed from your chest voice to your falsetto, and you added more to that song and you made it your own, which is, it takes a lot of maturity to do that. I think it was a fantastic performance, I really do. I can't stop praising you. Well done.
Thanks, Kev. Joey?
Do you know what, Kate? I don't know about everyone else, but because of how we got to be tonight with this environment, I didn't know if the energy was going to be there, but my God, my energy, I generally felt like I was at Town Search Cymru then again, and it was so nice because I needed to feel that after so long. How did you feel up there? Did it feel good to be up on the stage performing? Honestly, Kadee, when I look back, and I got to put it out there again, this is the girl that never sang in public less than 12 months ago. And to see how far you have come is mind-boggling. It is mind-boggling. And generally, I got to say this, because I generally mean this, but when you tried this in the rehearsal yesterday, it was fab. But you know what? Something happened with that performance tonight, and you just had a bit more thickness in places that it needed and things like that. And Kelly picked up that, that is, what did you say it was one of the best performances, or did Daniel say? One of you said, didn't it? It genuinely was the best performance I've seen of it, and that's exactly what you got to do on a final, because it's about getting better and better and better. And honestly, you look incredible tonight. You look like a proper star up there. You performed it like a star. Less than 12 months experience, and you just did that. Honestly, Kadee, I am over the moon, and honestly, you've got to be so proud of her, because how far did she come? We've had this massive gap, and she just got up and done that. It's incredible, honestly. I am blown away. I can't see what happens next over the next couple of months when this pandemic or whenever it goes. I can't wait to see what happens next for you in music, because I just think you're so special and you're so worthy of being at the end of this. Honestly, amazing, Kadee. Well done.